Hello children, my name is Shruti and I have taken 6th English and the lesson dog finds his master. And before going into the lesson, first we will know which animal we keep at home or which animal we rear or domestic at home. The few animals are dog, cat, sheep, cow, buffaloes. These are the animals we rear at home. And here in this lesson we will see how dog became man's best friend. Okay, now let's start the lesson. Foxes hunt alone, never in packs. Once dogs too were their own masters and lived the way foxes did. They lived in freedom until a dog was born who was not pleased with this way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than him. In this first paragraph, we will see that, or we will come to know that fox hunt alone. They will not go in groups for hunting or to get their food. They will hunt alone. Same way, earlier days, dogs were also living like foxes. They were not in groups. But before, a dog who was born and thought that he wants someone to take care of him. He doesn't want to be alone. Here, packs means packs. Packs means group of animals. Group of animals which they go for hunting. Once dogs too were like their own masters. They were not depending on anyone. But one day a dog thought that even he wants to have a master, to take someone he needs to take care of him. So here pleased means happy. Pleased means happy. He was sick and tired of wandering. He was not liking of going here and there. Wandering means walking around. Wandering means moving without any aim. He doesn't have any aim or goal. So he doesn't like wandering about himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than him. He thought for a while and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth. He set out to find such a master. Means when he thought that he doesn't want to wander in the forest here and there, he wanted a person or he wanted someone to take care of him. So he decided to look for a better animal or better person who can look after him. Now next page. He walked and he met his kinsman of his, a big wolf who was as strong as himself. He was fierce. "Where are you going, friend?" the wolf asked. "I am looking for someone to take me up as a servant. Would you like to be my master, wolf?" the dog said. Here the dog, as he was walking in the forest, he met a kinsman. What do you mean by kinsman? Kinsman means belonging to the same family, relative. Belonging to a same family group. A big wolf was strong as himself. He was fierce. What do you mean by fierce? F-I-E-R-C. Fierce means very cruel. Very cruel. Wolf, "Where are you going, friend?" the wolf asked. "I'm looking." Then the dog answers for the wolf's question. The dog says, "I'm looking for someone to take me as his servant." Okay, so that he will not be wandering here and there. Now someone will be taking care of the dog. "Why not?" the wolf said, and this agreed upon. The two of them went together. Then the wolf was happy and he said, "Yes, I'll take you as my servant." And they went into the forest. They walked and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off the path into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. Here sniffed means he exhaled, he smelled. Sniffed means smelled. Animals can smell the other smell of the other person or the other animals. He smelled and darted quickly. Darted means moved. Darted means moved. Moved quickly. Darted quickly off the path into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. Here crept means crawled like a worm they wriggled into the forest. It means crawled, wriggled or crawled. Wriggled into the deeper in the forest. The dog was very much surprised. "What's come over you, master?" he asked. "What has frightened you so much?" Now, dog thought that wolf was stronger than the other animals. So, when wolf was scared of some other animal, the dog was surprised to see and he asked the question, "Why are you scared? Why are you afraid? Or why did you behave like this?" Then, "Can't you see? There's a bear out there and he might eat up both of us," the wolf replied. Now, the wolf replied that, "Can't you see that there was a bear? There was a bear who was stronger than me. So, it would, if the bear would see us, it would eat up us both." Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with the bear. He left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. Now, seeing that wolf is scared of bear, now dog thought that bear is stronger than the wolf and he left the wolf and went to the bear and asked, "Can you take me as his servant?" The bear agreed to this readily. The bear agreed. He was very much happy to take dog as his servant. Let us go and find a herd of cows. Here herd means also a group of cows. Group of cows. "I'll kill a cow and then we can both eat and fill." Now bear said that, "Let's go into the forest," and as they went into the forest, they will see a group of cows, a herd of cows, and bear tells the dog that we will hunt a cow and after that we can both eat the food. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were moving loudly and running in panic in all directions. The bear looked from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Now, as they went closer to the herd to hunt a cow, the bear stopped. At a sudden, the bear stopped and he also started running back into the forest. "Now, why did I have to come here?" he said to the dog. "It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts." Now, dog was very much surprised because he thought that wolf was stronger. Now, after seeing that wolf is scared of bear, now he thought bear is stronger than the wolf. And now when he saw that bear was also afraid of some other animal, he was very much surprised and asked, "Why did we come again deep into the forest?" Now what bear answered? Bear answered that, "Can't you see there is a lion? He is the king of the jungle and he will rule the forest." "Well, then I'll say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth." Then he'll say to the bear, "Okay, bear, I don't want to live with you or I don't want to stay with you. Now you are not stronger as I thought. Now I'll go to the lion who is stronger than you." The lion agreed to take the dog into his service and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. It was a good life. He had nothing to complain about because no one dared to touch the dog or offend him in any way. Now the dog went to the lion and asked him to take him as a servant. Now lion was happy. Okay, now dog served as lion's servant and he was very much happy because lion was the king of the jungle and no one will question or no one will dare to touch the dog or no one will say no to anything for lion and the dog. So they both were happy. Now next. But one day the two of them were walking side by side in the forest. After they were happy for a long time, and what happened next? one day they were walking into the forest when all of a sudden the lion stopped. Now the dog will become more confused because lion also stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw. Paw means nails or toes. Then he began to walk away quietly. Now, as they were going, the lion also stopped and he roared. He roared in a very loud voice, and with anger he struck his paw to the ground and he walked back into the forest. Now, what is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog, surprised. Now, dog was also surprised. I smell a man coming this way, the lion said. We had better run from here or we will be in trouble. Now, dog asked the lion, why did we stop or why did you stop? Now, the lion said that I can smell the smell of a human being, so that if he sees us, he will kill us. So, better not to be here and we will go back to the forest. And they went into the forest. Now, the dog was in confusion. Now, whom to treat him as a master? Now, oh well, then I'll say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. Now, dog said, no, I will not stay with you, lion. Now, I want a better, stronger man than anyone on this earth, so that I can be happily with him. The dog went to the man and stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long ago, but to this day, the dog has been man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. Now again dog came to the man and served him faithfully and for a long time, and now also we believe that dog is a faithful animal and no one can replace the dog in faithfulness. Did you understand, children? Okay, now let's recall the word meanings. Now, packs means a group of animals, not what we pack for lunch. Packs means a group of animals which go for hunting. Pleased means happy, and the opposite is opposite is sad. Now, wandering means walking or moving here and there without any aim. Don't know without any thinking. So wandering means moving without any aim. Now, kinsman means relative belonging to a same blood. Fierce means cruel. Now, the opposite of cruel is kind. The opposite of cruel is kind. Now, sniffed means smelled. Sniffing means smelling the smell of the other person. Crept means crawled or wriggling. Now, darted means moving quickly. When we feel if we are in trouble, we will move quickly. So that means darted. Darted means moved quickly. Now, herd means a group of cows. Here also we can say a pack of wolves or pack of lions. But for cows we will use herd of cows and herd of sheep. Now, paw means toes of the animal. Thank you.